Yeah, it should be.
Settle down, dude. That's why you shouldn't be eating frogs. That dude's got one hell of a freaking beak too, dude.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Whoa!
I see your frog.
Huh?
I see your frog now.
All right. This guy's not going to probably cooperate. I can't imagine. I don't know. What do you think?
Here. Can we do it? Yeah, you just have to come up behind him and throw it over his head. Might have to take a couple tries. Just... See where his head is? You want to grab him like behind the head with one hand? I bet his wings messed up, huh?
Could be. Just need to calm down for a minute, dude. I don't know how he's gonna react, dude.
Don't be scared.
I don't know what he's gonna. I don't want to squeeze him. I don't know, dude. This is a trip.
I don't think you're going to hurt him more than he is already.
All right. All right, cuz. Come on up here and try to. I'll hold him while you try to get up.
Yeah, it's wrapped around, see?
But the hook's not in him. That's a good thing. Oh, it wrapped his wing
In his leg.
to his leg. Here, give me.
Think we should just cut this and pull it off?
Yeah, here.
It's wrapped around his leg pretty tight.
You want to go grab the scissors?
You can cut that right there. See it?
Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Ready?
Yeah. Okay, that freed that. That freed that.
Okay, now we got to get that off of him.
Okay. Did. It's off of him.
Okay. You got the phone?
Yep.
The camera?
Oh. Yeah, still recording. Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Well, at least he walked away, dude. No,